Articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Janae. I am back with another video. I am actually going to be doing a Valentine's Day hairstyle, and then I'm going to be using Curlsmith hair products in my hair. So this is the perfect pair that I'm going to be using today for my wash day. So it is the Curlsmith Moisture Recipe Hold Me Softly Style Balm. So this is the product that I'm actually going to use to create my curls right here. I never used it before, so I'm really excited to try it out. Also, before I actually put that in my hair, I'm going to be putting a leave-in conditioner, and it's going to be the Curl Conditioning Oil Cream. This is how it looks right here. So this is going to be my leave-in conditioner. I already washed my hair, as you see. Some in the back part of my hair. I'm just rubbing it in, and it feels really good. My hair is not dripping wet right now because I am going to be blow drying it. So after I just put that in, I'm just going to kind of like twist that up. I like to focus on my ends. It is really good product. I'm just going to show y'all up close. So it's a really good leave-in conditioner. It makes my hair feel really, really soft, and that's what I like to go for when I actually put leave-in conditioners in my hair. So I have all my twists in, so now what I'm about to do is really just blow dry my hair. Ooh, y'all. When I tell y'all, blow dry my hair is something, it is oh my gosh. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into what I'm trying to do here. We're trying to style my hair, okay? So what I'm about to do here, I'm going to actually attempt to do a heart in my hair. You know how I'll be seeing them heart braids or whatever, so I'm kind of gonna try to attempt to do that. I really hope it comes out good. I don't know. This is gonna be my first time actually braiding a heart in my hair. If y'all actually see me get off camera and create the heart, okay, it's because I can't really see what I'm doing with the film right here, so I might have to create this heart off camera. I told y'all that the heart was gonna be a struggle for me. Like, I struggled. It was just, oh my god. But you know, I did it, okay? I went in the mirror in the bathroom and I said, okay, we're gonna do this. I was gonna give up, but I didn't. So this is how the heart is looking here. I'm gonna zoom in for you so you guys can actually kind of see it. So I just did the heart right here, and then I put like red hair accessories in it, you know, Valentine's Day vibe. Right now it is a bush, so I can't really work like that. I'm gonna have to work in sections. So what I'm gonna do here is kind of like go ahead and section it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just twist this up and twist this out of the way. Disregard this hanging braid right here. So I'm gonna just kind of like tuck that under my hair once it is complete. The first thing I'm gonna do is detangle my hair. We wanna make sure that we get all them kinks out before we do this. I use the leave-in conditioner. So now I'm gonna pair that up with their Curlsmith Moisture Recipe Hold Me Softly Style Balm. This style balm is great to style your hair. Of course, it is a lightweight styling cream, and it's supposed to create bouncy definition without weight or crunch. Because it is a soft hold, the hold on this is a 1. So it comes out like this. So I don't really know how much I'm gonna use. I'm gonna start off with maybe like a little first. And if I need to add more product, I will. I'm not gonna try to like revert my curls back because I did blow dry it. I'm just taking my Denman brush to make sure that there are, you know, no tangles or whatever. We're trying to smooth our hair. I have not done a flexi rod in a minute. All right, here we go. This is the truth, y'all. So I see people roll it on first, and then they just hold that, and then like that, roll up, hold. Uh-oh, I think I'm doing it. Hold like that, roll, uh-oh. Ah. And then like that. For the rest, I got it like right here. And I know there's even some pieces in the back. Oh my god. So as you see, I was struggling a little bit with that flexi rod. I was really trying to do it another way that I've seen some people do it, and I just wasn't feeling that way. I'm not used to that, so I just started to wrap my hair around the rod, and I find that better for me. I like to control my hair, so this gives me more control. So I'm just wrapping it around the rod, and then when I get to the end, I just smooth in the product. And then after that, from where I started the rod at, I'm just rolling it to my roots, and then I just snap it, and then I just keep proceeding. I love this style balm because it is very soft and it also leaves my hair very smooth as well. I feel that I can use this as a moisturizer. I'm just doing the same routine using my tangle teaser and then using my Denman brush to smooth out my hair. And then after I apply the products on my hair, just smooth it on, wrap the hair around in the circular motion. I just use my wrist to wrap it while just keeping my hand in place. And when it gets to my ends, I really try to make sure that it is smooth as well, so it won't look as you know, curly, kinky or whatever. It's just, you don't want to see the texture when you're wrapping your hair because you're just trying to get those defined curls. So I'm just pulling my hair at the ends to just try to straighten it out and make sure there are no tangles, and then I just wrap it around. Today, Curlsmith is offering 25% off on all 9 of their biggest hair hero products. I chose my Moisture Recipe Perfect Pair, but you can also have the option of choosing your perfect pair as well. So just click on the link in my description box. It will have all of the information that you need. So I am almost done with all of my flexi rods, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am finally, okay, I am finally done putting these flexi rods in. So at first I was a little bit, you know, at first I was struggling a little bit because it's like always the beginning of a hairstyle. It's, you know, I gotta find my little groove, and so as I went on, I ended up finding my groove. So all right, y'all, so this is the very next day, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel these flexi rods, and I'm just going in the opposite direction and unwinding it. And as you see, the definition as I unwind is there. The hold is very soft as well, and it has a lot of shine and moisture in my hair. As you see, look at that bounce in that definition. So now we're gonna go ahead and separate the curls. This is how I look with all the flexi rods out. My hair was so shiny and I love it. So we are here at the ending of the video. I am in love with my hair. It is so cute. So this is the little hair, this is the little heart right here. I did sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. I really didn't sit under there too long, only because I did do my hair on dry hair. If it was wet, I probably would have sat under there for maybe about an hour and a half, hour to maybe 2 hours, but because it was on dry hair, I didn't really have to sit under that long. This is an amazing pair to pair together. It does have a soft hold to this style balm, but it is okay. Like at first, it was how could I say? You know, when you do your hair on dry hair, it can get a little bit more frizzier, but this one is actually cute. It gets a bit of fluffy, as you see. My definition is still there, so it's not like my hair is turning or anything. It's just that it is a soft hold, which is okay. Sometimes I don't really like that hard hold. You know, you just want that soft look. Sometimes a soft hold really does its thing. I like my hair to flow. I like for it to feel soft if I run my hands through it. And yeah, so I am in love with it all in all. I hope y'all enjoy the results, because I am as well. I can't stop touching it. Now if you can't stop touching it, you can sometimes add a little bit of frizz in your hair, but it's okay. I'm all about the frizz, the volume, the definition, everything, and that's what this style is really giving. Happy Valentine's Day from me, and I really hope you enjoy your day. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you came this far and you like what you see. Subscribe to me, show your girl some love, okay? If you're interested in these products, like I said before, check in my description box. You can get 25% off and also choose your perfect pair as well. Love y'all. Bye.